Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motherboard replacement process for the MSI MS16P5 laptop, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Ensure you are working in a clean, static-free environment. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from the power source. Remove the battery by unscrewing the battery lock screws and lifting it out gently. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep track of the screws as they can be different sizes. Once the screws are removed, carefully pry the back panel off using a flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you can now see the internal components of the laptop. Start by disconnecting the hard drive and RAM modules. For the hard drive, locate the screws holding it in place, remove them, and lift the hard drive out. For the RAM, release the clips on either side of the RAM modules and gently pull them out at an angle. Next, locate the existing motherboard. You will need to disconnect various cables attached to it. This includes the keyboard cable, display cable, and any other connectors. Take your time with these connections, as pulling too hard can damage the cables. If you're unsure about any connections, refer to a service manual or online resources for guidance. Now, unscrew the motherboard from the chassis using your Phillips screwdriver. There may be several screws, so ensure all are removed. Once unscrewed, gently lift the motherboard out of the laptop casing. Before installing the new motherboard, it's vital to clean the internal area of the laptop. Use compressed air to remove dust and debris, especially around the fan and cooling components. This will help in maintaining optimal cooling for your new motherboard. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. Our team can handle the replacement and ensure everything works perfectly. Now, it's time to install the new motherboard. Align the new motherboard in the chassis and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all the cables and connectors to their respective places, ensuring they are seated properly. This is crucial for the functionality of your laptop. Once everything is connected, reinsert the RAM and hard drive. Secure them with their screws, and then replace the back panel of the laptop. Make sure it snaps into place securely without forcing it. After that, screw the back panel back in using the screws you had set aside earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect the power adapter. Power on the laptop to test if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, making sure you know the costs up front. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motherboard in your MSI MS16P5 laptop. This process not only saves you money but also gives you a deeper understanding of your device's inner workings. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.